Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be doing for you honey sesame sea bass. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. I'm going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. If you want to follow along, the shopping list is there with the list of ingredients. We've cut our one down in half because we're only going to be doing one sea bass fish. So if you see the recipe looks bigger, then that's if you're doing 3 or 4 fishes. So we're going to show you what we're going to be using for today. Right, our ingredients what we're using for today are, we've got some honey, we've got some butter, got some garlic, we've got our sesame seeds and some ginger. You can use fresh ginger, but we're using a powdered one. Got some sesame oil, and in this one we've got some dark soy, our rice wine vinegar, some lemon juice and some sriracha sauce in this one. And then we've got our sea bass what we're going to be using for today. So that's our ingredients what we're using for today. So we're going to show you the recipe. Right, so we've got a small saucepan what we're going to be using. We're going to put the heat on there. You want a low heat on this. You're going to be putting your butter into that. Just your butter gone into that, and then you're going to put your honey in there as well. So you're going to get out all of your honey. And you're just going to get that incorporated through. So you just leave in a little. So we've got everything melted through together now. Going to crush our garlic into that. And you're going to turn off the heat at this time. Once you see it starts to bubble a bit, you turn off the heat. So we've got our garlic into that. Then you're going to put everything else into it. You see it's giving off a nice smell already. Get a different spoon so I can. And then we're going to put our sesame and our garlic seeds. Sorry, our sesame and our ginger into that. Then you're going to give that a good stir in. So that's our sauce done. This one's nice and quick and simple. So we've got our thick foil. Just going to bring in the camera a little bit so you can see what's going on. And we've got our sea bass going into that. We're going to get our the spoon. we're going to start putting some on this fish. So what you're going to do is open up the cavity and put some inside. If you're wondering why I'm only doing one, is because my lot only eat fish once in a blue moon. So I'm just doing just this one. Then you're spoon some over your fish. So if you can't see. Trying to get the seeds out, the sesame seeds, so it's on there. Alright, so you've got that there. So you're going to bring it aside. You're going to fold that down. And you fold that over. So you don't want to pierce it or anything. So that's our fish. So that's going to go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on fan 180, which is a gas mark 4. So we're going to put that in, and once it comes out we're going to show you what it looks like. Right everybody, so it's been in the oven now for half an hour. So I'm just going to open it and show you what it looks like. So that's what we've got. So as you can see, that's nicely cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plate this up. If you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section and we will get back to you on them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plate this one up and then we're going to get back to you. Right everybody, so we plated it up. That's how it looks on the plate. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. This is our honey and sesame sea bass. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thank you.